Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90 and I'll show you how to link or unlink assistant from power button on our device. So now by double press or just for press and hold the power key, we can see that we can activate the power off menu. But if you want to use the assistant from power button, you should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the accessibility features. Then click here to shortcuts and gestures and tap to all voice. Now just here tap on the switcher and now just by press the power button, we can see that
Twój inteligentny asystent.
the
Mogę Ci pomóc sprawdzić pogodę, ustawić alarm lub odpowiedzieć.
okay.
Just hold down the
Tap to done, and now I press the power key, we can see that the assistant, the voice assistant, is activated. So if you want to turn it off by the same way, go to the accessibility shortcuts and gestures, tap to all voice and turn off this feature. And now with the press and hold the power key button, we can also activate the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.